Hey everybody, welcome back to the Acoustic Classics in the Live Lounge at 971theriver.com. My name's English Nick, and this is the Radio Birds.
No, I don't need no doctor, 'cause I know it's telling me. No, I don't need no doctor, 'cause I know it's telling me. Too long away from my baby, yeah, yeah. Got me down with the misery. No, I don't need no doctor for my prescription to be filled. No, 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 I don't need no doctor for my prescription to be filled. Only my baby's arms can never take away these chills. And now the doctor says I need rest, but told him I need some tenderness. He put me on the critical list. All I need is your sweet kiss. He gave me a medicated lotion. I bought it in and soothed my emotions, yeah. No, I don't need no doctor, for my hope to live is gone. I don't need no doctor, for my hope to live is gone. To live is gone. All I need is my baby. Please, won't you please just come along? Come along.
Thank you.